Hello, today we're going to go over the law of cosines. Mathematician, they call this like non-right angle Pythagorean theorem. Why? Because you see, this is like forming Pythagorean theorem. A squared equals b squared plus c squared. It's familiar to you. But we're going to subtract minus 2bc cosine a. Later on, like different videos, will prove for you law of cosines. Okay, so let's go over that. So if we have ABC and ABC is not right triangle. Oh, well, yeah, regular triangle. Doesn't matter conditions we have. ABC, we have angle A and the opposite side is A. We have angle B and the opposite side is B, lowercase. And the angle C and the opposite side is C, lowercase. So here is the formula, which is a squared plus b squared. A squared equals b squared plus c squared minus, look at this, 2bc. 2 times b times c. Cosine the angle between, cosine A. 2bc cosine A. And the same, b squared equals c squared plus a squared minus 2 times c times a times cosine the angle between c and a, angle b. And the same with c squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab and times cosine the angle c, which is the angle between a and b. Let's prove that numerically, and I love that because I want you to believe the formula before you start to work and to use it. So let's have like a triangle. Let's say that we have a triangle. Yes, here is a triangle. It doesn't matter to be on this position. We could like any position, right triangle. Okay, and this is will be upper A, and this is C, and this is B, angle B. And the side that's opposite to A, it will be in lowercase a, and the side that's opposite to B, lowercase b, and the side that's opposite to C, lowercase c. And we want to use right triangle, a famous angle like you had it before. Let's say that this is 30 degrees. Imagine this is not perfect. This looks like isosceles triangle, but sometimes on a test they don't give you a perfect graph. Yeah, I've seen that before on a test. So let's say that this is 30 and this is 60 degrees. 30 degrees and 60 degrees. And we learned before that the side that's opposite to 30 equals 1, and the hypotenuse is 2. It's a half. And the side that's opposite to 60 is square root of 3. So we know all angles and we know all sides. Let's apply the formula that we try to use it later on in different problems. This said, use that a square equals b square plus c square, minus 2 times bc times cosine the angle between B and C, angle A, cosine A. Remember that. Then we'll try to plug it in all numbers we have. So left side will be a square, and we know that a will be square root of 3. And if you square, it's supposed to be 3. So left Left side must be 3. Go over right side. B is 2. So 2 square plus C is 1 square minus 2 times B is 2 times C is 1 cosine angle A, which is 60, cosine 60 degrees. So let's evaluate that. 2 square is 4 plus 1 square is 1 minus 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 1 is 4, and cosine of 60 is a half. So 4 plus 1 is 5 minus 4 times a half is 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. This is right side, so left equals right. So try to remember this formula to use. It's applicable, and later on different videos, as I mentioned, I will prove the law of cosine. A square equals B square plus C square minus 2 times B times C times cosine the angle between, which is A. And if you do B square equals A square plus C square, and continue using that. I want you to remember always the law of cosine, to use it in different problems.